Flyability and ABS to attend Posidonia 2024 with a drone. Flyability, the market leader for confined space drone inspections, announced today its presence at Posidonia 2024. Flyability will attend the trade show in partnership with Classification Society ABS, who will be at booth 3.101. Posidonia is one of the biggest shipping events of the year and the ideal opportunity to showcase the new ultrasonic thickness payload for the Elios 3. This new payload is a game changer for ship inspections and class surveys. Flyability and ABS have been testing the ultrasonic thickness measurements of steel structures capability in the field on-board ships across a wide variety of vessels. The results are in. The data collected with the Elios 3 sensor has been certified for use in class surveys by ABS, one of the leading classification societies. Dr. Chris Leontopoulos, ABS Vice President, Technology Europe, said, ABS is leading the industry in researching and applying unmanned and remote inspection technologies to augment traditional class-related surveys. Flyability is one of our key collaborators in this field, and we are delighted to welcome them to our booth at Posidonia. I think conference attendees will have a unique opportunity to witness what these drones can do, providing effective data collection and reducing risks like exposure to potentially hazardous environments. Flyability co-founder and CEO Patrick Thevos said, our participation in Posidonia is kicking off the introduction of the Elios 3 to the maritime sector. We are seeing a surge of interest in remote inspection methods that can improve the safety and efficiency of inspections and look forward to sharing ideas with attendees at Posidonia. Flyability will be present at two booths at the event, with ABS at booth 3.101 and at the booth of Flyability reseller JGC Information Systems number 1.445. Flyability will also be presenting with ABS at their booth for a live demo on the Elios 3 on Wednesday, June 5th, along with service provider Diaplus. This gives attendees multiple opportunities to see the Elios 3 payload and discover how it can be integrated into various ship management workflows as part of condition assessment programs and class surveys.